Hello everybody, I'm talking about what the world will be like in the future. I'm Mario Eulalia Beltran and study English in level A3. Today there are many predictions of our future in the following years, and these predictions depend on time. So it is important to compare each uncertain time at a different time. The future in 5 years, the futures in 20 years, and the futures in 50 years. We will have enjoyed in 5 years a future not too distant from now, because we will have continued to enjoy natural resources such as light, water, and others. We will also have had access and we will have enjoyed new technological models. And finally, we will have enjoyed the last places without any contamination. Also, we will have enjoyed in 20 years the technological advance in both transport and artifacts for daily living, especially computers and smartphones. We will also have enjoyed new lifestyles and goals. And finally, we will have enjoyed in 50 years of very distant change to what we now live, because we will have changed the lifestyles, food, technology, and access to it, and we will even have witnesses the polluted environment and in turn disease more serious than we have today. In conclusion, we will have lived in the future of drastic change, where climate change that encourage people to take more care of the environment, contribute with voluntary activities, and where optimism has been part of the solution to the negative effect of climate change. Thank you, people.